If Firefox is crashing or acting strangely on an HDR display, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, starting with the simplest one first, so you can get Firefox stable again without guessing. These fixes are especially useful if the crashes happen when watching high contrast video, using HDR monitors, or switching between apps and browser tabs. And before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is update Firefox. Mozilla regularly releases fixes for graphics bugs, display issues, and HDR related problems, so this is always the best place to start. To do that, open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. Then go to Help and choose About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates, and if an update is available, it will download and install it for you. When it finishes, click Restart to update Firefox. Once Firefox comes back up, test it again and see if the crashing has improved. If Firefox is still crashing, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration. This is one of the most common causes of browser crashes when graphics drivers, video playback, or HDR rendering are involved. To do this, open the Firefox menu and click Settings. In the Settings page, search for Performance, then scroll to the Performance section. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. This will unlock the manual hardware options. After that, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Once that is turned off, close Firefox completely and reopen it. This forces the browser to relaunch without relying on your graphics card in the same way, which often fixes crash loops and display glitches. Now, if you're still having trouble, the next fix is to change Firefox's color management mode. This is especially helpful if your HDR monitor's color profile is causing crashes, flickering, or weird image rendering. To access this setting, type about.config into the address bar and press Enter. Firefox will show a warning screen, so click Accept the risk and continue. Then, in the search bar, type gfx.color/management.mode. When the preference appears, double-click it and change the value from 2 to 0. After that, restart Firefox so the new setting can take effect. This adjustment can help bypass problematic color handling on certain HDR setups. If Firefox still crashes after that, the next best step is to use Troubleshoot Mode. This mode runs Firefox without extensions, custom themes, or certain accelerated features, which makes it very useful for finding the source of the problem. To open it, click the menu button, go to Help, and select Troubleshoot Mode, then click Restart. Once Firefox launches in that mode, use it normally and see whether the crashing stops. If it does, then the issue is likely caused by a corrupted extension, a theme conflict, or another add-on setting. From there, you can disable your extensions one by one until you find the culprit. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the issue for most users. In many cases, updating Firefox and turning off hardware acceleration is enough to stop the crashes right away. If not, the color management change and Troubleshoot Mode are the best next steps to narrow down the cause. The key is to test each fix one at a time so you know exactly which change worked. If this video helped you fix Firefox crashes on HDR, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes sure you don't miss the next fix when something on your computer stops working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.